Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add start date in Asana. So this is actually pretty simple, just follow my steps. First step is to open up the project where you want to add your start date. So I will open up the project 2, and now in order to add start date, first you will have to click on add due date to your task, and here add a due date. So let's click on tomorrow. And now, in order to add a start date, you will have to click on start date and add the start date by clicking on it. Now simply click away, and as you can see, there is a start date and due date. Now, in order to add a start date as a new column, you will have to go right here to add field, click on date, and then name it start date. Now simply select the date in the field type and click on create field. Now you have your start date field, and you can move it to the left like this to be before the due date actually. So start date, select, and due date, select. As you can see, today, tomorrow. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.